In this video, I'll show you how to replace the screen of Panasonic Lumix LX3 and LX5 because these two models have nearly identical construction and the screen part is the same. I already done replace on LX5 and the one that I will show you will be the LX3, but don't worry, that is almost the same thing. So first you got to identify the screw. There will be only 1, 2, 3, 4 screw to remove if you want to replace the display, and it will be extra one on the hot shoe. You have to peel this, push this plate to the side, and it will reveal the 4 more screw. You could just remove these 2 and be good to go. Now this I already removed all the side screws, so we have 2 left. Just leave these 2 screws out. Then you can start to and take apart. Now you have to detach this cable. The screen I bought from AliExpress, it came only a screen, there is no backlight, so we have to remove the backlight part from the old screen and attach to the new one. There is a hinge down there, and then try to lift this right side up. It will unlock this part and the screen can take off now. In this model LX3, you don't have to attach the screen cover, but in LX5 screen cover are attached directly to the screen, so you have to remove it. That's the only difference I've seen so far. Now we try to remove the backlight. There is a bracket that hold the screen and backlight to the body, so look around, you will see that there is upside, but on the outside there is a hook. You release this hook, then there is some glue. You have to push it out, then lift it up. There is a hinge that attach this screen to this bracket. Now you remove the bracket, you go to the part of screen and backlight, and to remove this, on any side you see these structures. Try to use anything sharp to peel it off. And then the screen could fall off easily. Now go to the new screen and put it in the place of the old one. Attach to the same position. Then next step, attach it back to the bracket. Try to hook this to the bracket first. Be careful about connector. and you see, hook this up again, and then you're ready to attach this screen back to the body. But first of all, try to clean from dust or scratch that you may make. Now you can attach the screen back to the back plate by hooking to the bottom first, then press upward. I will use some Scotch tape to attach this part because the original one are in the position that it attached together. Before you put all the parts together, make sure the screen is working by attach the battery and open up. Okay, now the screen is working, so we can assembly all the parts together. It's pretty easy because there is only like 6 screws. And we are finished. For both of them, actually, I just change it. In our channel, mainly I share my DIY, my ideas about things. I've been trying to make some income from this channel, so if you interested to support, you can subscribe to my channel. And for this tutorial, if you have any question, leave it on the comment section below. And also the part, the screen, you can buy it from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, up to you. I'll try to get the link in the description down below. And this is it. Thank you very much for watching.